Alright, thank you for joining us. This is Mto Online. I know everyone is yearning to know how the certificate is going to be looking for the new lower secondary curriculum students. So many students had their examinations in 2024 and results were released. But so many were worried about how the grading system was, and they are very eager to know how is the transcript or the certificate will look like. In this video, you've got an opportunity to see the sample of a certificate, a Uneb certificate, how it is going to be looking like. I know most learners receive their results through online, but in this video, you've got a chance to see how your results will be displayed on the certificate that will be released by Uneb, as it is officially announced by Uneb, and the release of these certificates is yet to be communicated. In the document that was released by Uneb about the Uganda grading system, Uneb came out and officially communicated how the transcript will be looking like. And its document was saying, theme for those students who sat their examinations in 2024 was embracing security and holistic assessment of learners in a dynamic environment. Remember, every year Uneb sets a theme that can guide learners while accomplishing their studies. That was the 2024 year theme. Now, they continued and said, shifting from content-based to competence-based assessment. In the year 2020, the Ministry of Education and Sports, through the National Curriculum Development Center, rolled out the competence-based curriculum, also known as the new lower secondary curriculum. The CBC necessitated the assessment to also shift from content-based to competence-based assessment in order to meet the demands of the new curriculum. The first cohort of the learners under CBA, that is competence-based assessment, was assessed by the Uganda National Examinations Board in 2024. In this edition of the Looming Eye, we bring you an insight into the grading for the competence-based assessment. I know some of you don't know what competence-based assessment is, but briefly, this is a method of evaluating a learner's ability to apply knowledge, skills, and attitudes in real-life situations, rather than just memorizing information for the purposes of passing examinations. It rather focuses on measuring practical proficiency and the ability to solve problems as opposed to simply recalling facts. Then we can look at the features of a competence-based assessment. A competence-based assessment should not have any comparison of the learners to other learners. It should have defined standards, and it should be competence-based. This means it should focus on what a learner can do by applying the required knowledge and skills to solve real-life problems. Uneb went ahead and explained more about the grading system of new lower secondary curriculum, where it showed the A as an exceptional, someone who has got a B is an outstanding student, C is a satisfactory student, and D is a basic student, and lastly E is representing someone who is elementary, and this person has demonstrated below the basic level of competency in applying the acquired knowledge and skills in the real life situations. So in summary, that's how Uneb came out and highlighted on some rumors that we are not well versed with the new lower secondary curriculum grading system. It rather showed us the results. You know, on a certificate that will be released by Uneb, there will be result 1, result 2, result 3, result 4, and it brought out clearly and showed everyone what result 1 means, what result 2 means, what result 3 means, and result 4. In this document, they explained well. A learner who gets result 1 will be a candidate who qualifies to get a certificate. So these are the candidates or learners who fully complied with the registration guidelines, and in addition they have got at least a D in any subject offered. But note, result 1 does not mean division 1 or grade 1 as understood in the old UCE grading system. Then result 2, here a candidate or candidates who did not fulfill conditions for the award of UCE certificate will be awarded result 2. And these are the candidates who did not sit for at least 8 subjects as required, did not sit for a compulsory subject like mathematics, or registered for SNE specific subjects like general science. Then when we look at a learner who will have result 3, this is a candidate who do not meet the minimum level of achievement in all subjects, i.e., a candidate who has only E in all subjects taken will be awarded result 3. And lastly, a learner who will be in result 4 will be a candidate who was either partially or fully absent. That is the information from Uneb. You're on Mto Online. Thank you for watching. We love you.